Welcome to our presentation on HeritageQuest Online, a powerful genealogical resource available through NCLive. This slideshow is designed to introduce new users to the features and benefits of HeritageQuest, explain how to access it, and demonstrate how to use its tools effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced researcher, HeritageQuest offers a wealth of historical records and documents to help you uncover your family history. Powered by ProQuest and Ancestry, this resource is freely accessible to North Carolina residents through their local libraries. Over the next few slides, we will walk you through the process of accessing HeritageQuest, explore its rich collections, and provide tips for effective searching. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how to navigate HeritageQuest and utilize its tools to conduct meaningful genealogical research. HeritageQuest is a comprehensive genealogy database. It contains over 5 billion records dating back to the 1700s, making it an invaluable tool for anyone interested in tracing their family history. The database includes a wide array of resources such as U.S. federal census records from 1790 to 1940, city directories, military records, wills, and probate documents. Users can also explore thousands of digitized family and local history books, as well as maps and photographs that provide context and depth to genealogical research. HeritageQuest is designed to be user-friendly with a unified search interface that allows users to search across all collections from a single search box. Whether you're researching ancestors, exploring historical documents, or building a family tree, HeritageQuest provides the tools and data needed to uncover the past. Access to HeritageQuest is available through Pamlico Community College Library using the nclive.org website. NCLive includes a list of all of their databases, one of which is HeritageQuest. Select HeritageQuest from their list of databases, and then if you are not on our campus, you will be asked to log in either with your PCC email address and password or with your library card number. If you need assistance with accessing the database, contact the library for assistance. HeritageQuest Online offers a rich and diverse collection of genealogical and historical records. Among its core data sets are the U.S. federal census records from 1790 to 1940, which include nearly 1 billion entries. The books collection features over 22,000 digitized family and local histories, compiled genealogies, church records, and more. City directories provide over 1.5 million records from various U.S. cities and counties spanning from 1821 to 1989. Military records include Revolutionary War pension files, Confederate prisoner of war records, and other service-related documents. The Wills and Probate Records collection contains more than 170 million pages from all 50 states, covering 337 years of history. Additional resources include the Freedmen's Bank records, the U.S. serial set with petitions and memorials, and a variety of maps and photographs. These collections are searchable through a unified interface, making it easy to conduct comprehensive research across multiple record types. Navigating HeritageQuest online is intuitive thanks to its organized homepage and user-friendly tools. The homepage features tabs for different record types, including census, books, military, and maps. Quick links allow users to jump directly to specific collections or search forms. The unified search bar enables users to search across all datasets simultaneously, streamlining the research process. When searching census records, users can select specific years or schedules and apply filters such as name, location, and birth year. The image viewer allows users to zoom, print, save, and email digitized records. It also includes a film strip navigation feature for browsing multi-page documents and a transcription panel for easier reading. The notebook tool lets users save and organize findings, making it easier to revisit and share research. These tools are designed to enhance the user experience and support efficient, effective genealogical research. To maximize the effectiveness of your searches on HeritageQuest Online, it's important to use strategic techniques. Begin with a broad search using minimal filters, then gradually narrow your results by adding more specific criteria such as exact spellings, date ranges, and locations. This approach helps avoid missing relevant records due to overly restricted parameters. Utilize the advanced search options available in each collection to tailor your queries. For example, when searching census records, you can filter by household members, birthplaces, and occupations. The Notebook tool is useful for saving and organizing search results, allowing you to revisit and refine your research over time. Additionally, the Image Viewer provides options to print, save, and email records, making it easy to share findings with others. By applying these tips, users can conduct more efficient and accurate genealogical research using HeritageQuest. HeritageQuest Online is an invaluable resource for anyone interested in genealogy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced researcher, its extensive collection and user-friendly tools make it accessible and effective for uncovering family history. By leveraging HeritageQuest's features and following best practices for searching, users can uncover rich historical insights and build meaningful connections to their past. If you need assistance with accessing this resource, please contact Pamlico Community College Library.